How to use Zelle with Fifth Third Bank. In order to use Zelle with Fifth Third Bank, you have to log into the mobile app or 53.com. So what you want to do is you could select this option whether you want to use the app or the browser of it. So I'm gonna use the browser version of it and click on the login button, enter my credential and log into my account. So from the home page, you want to navigate to Move Money section and select Send Money with Zelle option from the menu bar. As you do it and if this is the first time enrolling, you just need to click on to Get Started and agree to the terms and condition. Set up your Zelle contact method like your email or the phone number, and verify your email phone with the one-time passcode as well, and choose this account that you and choose the amount account that you want to use for Zelle. After which you're done setting up, you didn't need to send select it or add a contact using the email or the phone number, enter the amount and an optional note as well. Next, you have to review and send the payment, and that's how you'll be able to use Zelle with Fifth Third Bank. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.